Hey, this is Dr. Lou, and this is the final week of the 20-day masterclass for low back pain prevention, performance, and damage control. Hope it's been helpful. There's lots more that can be done if these weren't helpful, but I need your feedback by posting questions below. If you need something specific, I'll answer. I may not answer the same day, but I'll answer within a week. This last exercise is a passive stretch for the low back where you lie down and you put your legs up in a chair. It's really easy. It's a nice way to cool down after you've done some of these other exercises, and it helps to flatten the low back and just create a nice environment down there of decompressed mobility. Here's how it works. You'll have a chair like this. You're gonna lie on your back and you're gonna put your feet up in the chair like this, okay? And then you lie back on your back with your legs up and you let your low back flatten out into the floor. Again, it's decompressive, it stretches, and it feels amazing. I could stay here all day. That's it. It's so easy, and it's so good for you. That's all you have to do. This is number 20. You've got 19 other exercises that you can do that are also really, really good. You can combine these in any way that you'd like, and they'll be really, really good. I would say as long as you do something every day, you can choose somewhere between 3 and 6 of these. A stretch, stretch of the low back, stretch of the legs, and some core strengthening, and you've got everything that you need. Again, if it doesn't work, after you've given it reasonable time, then you can seek help. What's reasonable time? Reasonable time, if you've had low back pain for 3 years, is to give it several months before you expect to see any kind of dramatic results. You may see the results much, much sooner than that. But come on. I mean, if a problem has taken years to brew, then it's probably going to take a little while to get better. Okay? It's not typically the same amount of time, though. It's almost always quicker to heal than it was to get you in the place that you're in, unless it's an acute injury. And then it's going to take longer. So have reasonable expectations. If you're not sure of what your expectations should be, post them below, and I'll tell you what they might be. This type of environment is tricky because it doesn't create a relationship between you and I. We don't have a doctor-patient relationship. I don't know your history or your story. You have to go based on doctors that you've seen in the past, recommendations that you've gotten in the past, and warnings that you've gotten in the past to make sure that you don't do anything crazy. It's up to you, which is part of why I do this, because you should have some control and some opportunity to help yourself at home. But you got to do it carefully. So if there's any question, contact your doctor. If you're in Maine and there's any question, you can contact me directly. My phone number is 207-SPINAL1. That's 774-6251. You can reach me below. You can private message me. I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I can't promise when that will be, but I can promise that it will happen. The quickest way is to call our office and speak to our wonderful, wonderful, wonderful office manager, Sandra Escobar. My name is Dr. Lou Jacobs. I hope you've enjoyed this. Stay tuned because there's more to come in the way of what shoes should you wear for your low back? What kind of pillow should you have for your neck, which affects your low back? What kind of mattress should you have? All of those questions will be answered, if they haven't already been answered, on one of the 640 plus videos that I have on this channel. If you want that information now, you might just look it up and see if it's already there. My name is Dr. Lou Jacobs, Portland, Maine, chiropractor, acupuncturist. It's been nice sharing these exercises with you. We will have other series like this in the future. Again, if you have any questions, post them below. We will catch up soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. 1, 2, 3, 4.